This baby safety foam hearth guard turns sharp fireplace edges into a cushioned seating-style surface that is far more forgiving if a child takes a tumble. The dense, impact-absorbing foam has a low profile and smooth, textured finish, so it feels soft to the touch without looking bulky or out of place in a living room. Installation is straightforward, with clearly explained steps, included trimming tool, and adhesive pads that help the guard stay firmly in position once fitted. Because the material is free from common, concerning additives and heavy metals, it offers peace of mind for parents whose children like to lean, sit, or crawl along the hearth. The large size is designed to accommodate wider hearths and can be cut down for a custom fit, making it practical for a variety of fireplace shapes and dimensions. Backed by a long-standing family-run safety brand that focuses specifically on childproofing, this guard feels thoughtfully engineered for everyday use around active toddlers.